everyone, today I will show you our new product. This is our new Falak chain stick rubber ring. The name of the rubber is Japani rubber ring, Falak Japani rubber ring. As you can see, this rubber you can use in the RE chain stick machine. As you can see, the name is written on the rubber. A means RE. Okay, and the second one is our this rubber is used for coiling machine, race machine, dory chain stick machine. Same, this rubber is big for the coiling machine. As you can see, LD means laced door. Now I will tell you the specialization of these rubbers. The rubber is, first of all, we will give you a minimum 2 months guarantee of this rubber. One rubber, this one rubber will run for at least minimum 2 months. We are giving you minimum 2 months guarantee. The rubber is goes to maximum 6 months in same machine. The long life of the rubber machines, and the second also, as you can see. And the rubber is and the second specialization is that, as you can see, the rubber in this machine, this is the daily usage rubber. You have to change this rubber on the first day, second day, as per your work, what you are doing. And this rubber, if you are doing work from this rubber, okay, these two rubbers, as you can see, these two rubbers you will use continue minimum 6 months or maximum 6 months, minimum 2 months and maximum 6 months, one rubber. This is the specialization of Falak Japani rubber ring. And if your rubber is dirty, then what you have to do, you have to remove this rubber from the claw foot and you have to wash this rubber, and after that attach the rubber in the claw foot, and same you can use. And this rubber and the dirtiness is not the problem in these rubbers, as you can see. And the third specialization is when we are using the rubber, the normal rubber, it is impact on your body, it is impact on your parts of the head, which is loose, which is used, and it can be harmful of your screws and machines and etc. But when you use this rubber, it will give you a better jump for your machine, then your spare parts life is long away. And now I will show you the packet of these rubbers, the packaging of this rubber. First we will show you this one packet of RE rubber. One packet of RE chain stick rubber is, we will give you 12 piece of rubber in one packet. Okay. And the dory rubber and the coiling and rest dory machine rubber, we will give you 6 rubbers, as you can see, 6 rubbers, and here 12 rubbers. And we have a big packet. Many of persons comes from the very far, so we have to decide to give you a big packet. Here is our big packet in which we will give you 12 packets of rubber. In each packet we will give you 12 rubbers. This is our big packet of rubber, as you can see. And the same is dory coiling lace machine rubber. We will give you we will give you this big packet. Okay, if you have any inquiry, now you can WhatsApp me, call me, anything you want. We are shipping globally. Thank you so much.